Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank Honorable Salen Kumar for the questions to update on the water catchment standing trees compensation policy. An important initiative led by the Ministry of Itaukei Affairs in partnership with our landowners, technical experts and conservation organizations. This policy is being developed to provide fair and structured compensation to landowners who are protecting our natural water catchment areas, especially those with mature standing trees. These trees play a vital role in filtering rainwater, preventing soil erosion, and ensuring a clean, sustainable water supply for our communities and ecosystems. Many of these catchment areas are located on the customary Itaukei land. And for many years, landowners have played a quiet but essential role in protecting this forest without any direct financial return. This policy is about correcting that. It recognizes their contribution and ensure they are fairly rewarded for protecting one of our most critical natural assets, water. Mr. Speaker, sir, we have completed consultations across Northern, Western, and Central Eastern divisions. These discussions involve landowning units, provincial councils, conservation groups, and relevant government departments. The feedback received has helped shape the policy to reflect the real needs and concerns of the landowners. Mr. Speaker, sir, 2 pilot case studies were carried out in Mangonro and Nasolo water catchment areas. These case studies helped test how compensation framework could work on the ground in real-life settings where communities are actively managing the protecting forested land. A key milestone was a national workshop held on April 17, 2025, bringing together landowners, technical experts, and stakeholders to review and validate the draft compensation policy. The workshop allowed everyone to sit at the same table: traditional leaders, environmental scientists, and policymakers, to agree on the principle behind the policy. This is a good not just for the landowners, but for the nation as a whole. The development of standing trees compensation policy is well on track. There is some areas of concerns from Water Authority of Fiji and some government agencies that needs time to carry out more consultations on these issues. It is one that reflects our value, our responsibility, our vision for a more sustainable Fiji. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
I thank the Honourable Vasu, the Minister for Itaukei